Good morning, students. This is Vijay, Department of Chemistry, Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Pudukkottai. In this session, I am going to explain Unit 3, P Block Elements 2, Part 2. Before we are going to enter the topic, we must know the balancing chemical equation. The first rule, write the formula of the substance, and second, count the number of atoms in each elements on each side of the equation, and third, adjust the coefficients, and fourth, check the number of atoms each elements is the same on both sides. For example, sulfuric acid react with alkali base sodium hydroxide to form disodium sulfate, and water is excess of product, and this equation is unbalanced. Now we are going to balance this equation. In the product side, 2 mole of sodium is there, but reactant side 1 mole. So we are going to add the coefficient 2. Now this balance. The next one, magnesium react with HCl to form magnesium chloride, then hydrogen gas. In this reaction, product side 1 magnesium, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, but reactant side 1 magnesium, 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. So we need to increase the coefficient 2. Now the equation is balanced. And next, some other examples. Sodium hydroxide with sulfuric acid, reactant side, product side, then increasing the coefficient, the equation is balance, and this equation is already balanced. And fourth one, sodium chloride dissociate will give sodium and chlorine. So increase the coefficient, the equation is balanced. Then carbon S2Cl2 form carbon tetrachloride and sulfur. Add the coefficient, the equation is balanced. Some other hints is there, you just go through and try to practice the equation balancing. And now we are going to enter the topic. So we are going to prepare nitric acid. Is it clear? We have discussed nitrogen group of elements, so we are going to prepare nitric acid. And first method, nitric acid prepared by heating equal amount of potassium or sodium nitrate react with sulfuric acid to form potassium hydrogen sulfate. It's excess of product, but our main product is nitric acid. And the temperature is kept as low possible to avoid the decomposition of nitric acid. If you are overheat, the nitric acid dissociate to form nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen molecule. So just keep the heat low as possible. It is very important. If you are going to overheat, the product is get decomposed. Is it clear? And next, the commercial methods of preparation. So nitric acid prepared in large scale by using the Ostwald process. In this method, ammonia form Haber process is mixed about 10 times of air. Already we discussed for the previous part the preparation of ammonia by Haber process. So if you are going to prepare nitric acid in large scale, we are going to use Ostwald process. In this process we need ammonia already prepared by the Haber process. It is mixed with 10 times of air. This mixture is preheated and passed to the catalytic chamber. Is it clear? It is a condition. Catalytic chamber is a condition where they come in contact with a platinum gas. So this condition, the temperature is rise about 1275 Kelvin, and the metallic gas brings about a rapid catalytic oxidation. Just understand the rapid catalytic oxidation of ammonia, resulting the formation of NO, nitric oxide, with then oxides to nitrogen dioxide, NO2 is formed. So the reaction is ammonia is going to react with oxygen, give the product of NO, nitric oxide, water. This reaction, the heat is expelled 120 kilojoule, and further the nitric oxide react with oxygen to give nitrogen dioxide, and further it is going to react with water to form finally our favorable product, nitric acid. Then properties of nitric acid. Nitric acid is a pure colorless, and it boil 86 degrees Celsius. The acid is completely miscible with water, forming a constant boiling mixture. The condition is 98% of nitric acid boiling point 120.5 degrees Celsius. It is a constant boiling condition. Fuming nitric acid contain oxides of nitrogen. It decompose and exposed to sunlight are being heated to give the products. Due to this reaction, pure acid or its concentrated solution becomes yellow and standing. Just underline is a yellow. In most of the reactions, nitric acid act as an oxidizing agent. Just underline act as a oxidizing agent. Hence, the oxidation state change from +5 to a lower 1. It does not yield the hydrogen in its reaction with metals. Is it clear? Does not yield hydrogen in its reaction with metals. Nitric acid can act as an acid, an oxidizing agent, and nitrating agent. Is it clear? Can act as an oxidizing agent, nitrating agent, and also an acid. For example, as an acid, we are going to explain how it is going to act as an acid. In metal oxide, is it clear? In metal oxide, like other acids react with basic oxides to form salt and water. Metal oxide react with nitric acid to form ZnNO3 twice. Is it clear? ZnNO3 twice. Here the water is excess of product. Water is excess of product. So the zinc nitrate is a product. When in this reaction, nitric acid react with metal oxide. One of the example is zinc oxide will give the product of zinc nitrate, and react with iron oxide. The nitric acid give the product of iron nitrate and nitric oxide and excess of water. Is it clear? In adding excess of nitric acid, give excess of water, and byproduct or increases. As an oxidizing agent. The non-metallic like carbon, sulfur and phosphorus, iodine are oxidized by nitric acid. Is it clear? These are non-metals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, iodine. These are oxidized by nitric acid. First one, carbon react with nitric acid and carbon is oxidized. Is it clear? Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide, and sulfur react with nitric acid. Sulfur oxidize to form sulfuric acid. The phosphorus react with nitric acid to form hydrogen phosphate. So here also oxidized. The react with iodine is oxidized. React with halogen compound fluorine. Is it clear? It is also oxidized. These are example for nitric acid is act as a oxidizing agent. Is it clear? Nitric acid act as a oxidizing agent. And similarly, hydrogen sulfate. Is it clear? They are also oxidized. Is it clear? Oxidation is possible. This is also an example for oxidation as a nitrating agent. So nitric acid is also act as a nitrating agent. In inorganic compound, replacement of a hydrogen atom with nitrate is often referred as a nitration. For example, benzene react with nitric acid with the presence of sulfuric acid to form nitrobenzene. Is it clear? Nitrobenzene. An excess of water. Nitrobenzene is a product of nitrating. Okay, this is a product of nitration. Benzene react with nitric acid. Benzene is nitrated, so it will give the product of nitrobenzene. And nitric acid react with sulfuric acid will give the ions of NO2 plus nitrogen dioxide ion and H3O plus. Is it clear? H3O plus hydronium ion and nidronium ion, then hydrogen sulfate ion. These are ions are possible. Is it clear? Action of nitric acid and metals. Is it clear? Next we are going to discuss about the action of nitric acid and metals. All metals with exception, all metals with the exception of gold, platinum, rhodium, iridium and react with nitric acid. Nitric oxides the metals. Some metals such as aluminum, iron, cobalt, nickel and chromium are rendered passive in concentrated acid. Just underline concentrated acid due to the formation of layer of their oxides on the metal surface, which prevent the nitric acid from reaction with a pure metal. It's very important. It's prevent the nitric acid from a reaction with pure metal. With weak electropositive metals like tin, arsenic, antimony, tungsten and molybdenum, nitric acid gives metal oxides. Underline, gives a metal oxides in which the metal is in the higher oxidation state and the acid is reduced to a lower oxidation state. Is it clear? Reduced to lower oxidation state. The most common product evolved when nitric acid react with metal or gases NO2, nitrogen dioxide, NO, nitric acid and water, occasionally N2. nitrogen gas, then NH2OH hydroxyamide and ammonia also formed. And oxidation state. These are the example for nitrogen oxide compounds. Is it clear? HNO3 nitric acid, NO2 nitrous oxide, HNO2 nitrous acid, NO nitric oxide, N2O nitrogen dioxide, N2 nitrogen gas, then ammonia. In nitric acid, oxidation number of nitrogen plus 5, here oxidation number of nitrogen plus 4, and here oxidation number of nitrogen plus 3, and here oxidation number of nitrogen plus 2, and here oxidation number of nitrogen plus 1, and here oxidation number 0, and here oxidation number minus 3. So before we must know the general rules for assigning oxidation number. The oxidation number of free element is considered as a 0. For this example is given. The oxidation number of monoatomic ions equal to the charge of the ion. For example, Na plus oxidation number plus 1, Cl minus oxidation number minus 1. Then polyatomic ion molecule compounds, some of the all the oxidation numbers must equal to the overall charge. Is it clear? Equal to the overall charge. And the compound fluorine has oxidation number minus 1, and the compound's hydrogen has oxidation number plus 1, and the compound oxygen has an oxidation number minus 2. These are the basic rule. Just go through. And an example for calculating the oxidation number, in case 3 we are going to calculate what is the oxidation number of nitrogen. So we are going to identify oxidation number of nitrogen. We just consider X plus hydrogen, 3 mole of hydrogen, so 3, that is equal to 0, charge 0. So take the X and outside, so we get minus 3. So minus 3 is the oxidation number of nitrogen in ammonia. Similarly, N2, X plus 2, that is equal to 0. So X, that is equal to minus 2. The oxidation number of nitrogen in NO, X minus 2, that is equal to 0. X, that is equal to plus 2. So the oxidation number is plus 2. Then NO2 minus, charge is minus 1. So X minus 4, oxygen 2 moles. So minus 4, that is equal to minus 1, equal to charge. So that minus 1. So X, that is equal to plus 3. Then NO2. In NO2, what is the oxidation number of nitrogen? X minus 4, that is equal to 0. Charge is 0. So that is equal to 0. So X, that is equal to plus 4. So NO2 nitrous oxide, NO2 nitrogen dioxide, the oxidation number of nitrogen is plus 4. And NO3 nitrate ion, we are going to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen. So X minus 3 into 2, 6, minus 6, that is equal to, charge is minus 1. So X, that is equal to plus 5. So the oxidation number of nitrogen in this ion plus 5. So similarly, we are going to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen compounds. So next we are going to discuss about the reaction of metals with nitric acid are explained by 3 steps: primary, secondary and tertiary are the following method. First we are going to discuss about primary reaction. Is it clear? In primary reaction, metal nitrate is formed with release Nafion hydrogen. Metal nitrogen react with nitric acid, form nation, the atomic hydrogen is a nation hydrogen. So secondary reaction, nitric acid react with hydrogen, nation hydrogen, to form nitrous acid. Is it clear? In primary reaction, what is the condition? Metal nitrate is formed with release a nation hydrogen. Metal nitrate is formed with releasing the nation hydrogen is a primary. What is a secondary reaction? In secondary reaction, nation hydrogen produce the reaction product of nitric acid. Nation hydrogen produce the product of nitrous acid. Then in further, HNO3 react with nation hydrogen to form hydroxylamine, the hydroxylamine and water. Then react with nation hydrogen to form ammonia. Then react with nation hydrogen, atomic hydrogen, to form hyponitrous acid, H2N2O2, hyponitrous acid. Is it clear? So these are the secondary reaction. And tertiary reaction, the secondary product either decompose or react to give a final product. This is a tertiary reaction. What is that? The secondary product either decompose or react to give the final product. That is a tertiary reaction. So first, decomposition of secondary. Nitrous acid decompose to form nitric acid and nitric oxide and water. And the nitrous oxide acid decompose to form nitrogen trioxide. Is it clear? Trioxide and water. Then finally, the hyponitrous acid decompose to form nitrous oxide. The reaction of secondary product where the reaction of a secondary product where nitrous acid react with ammonia form nitrogen gas, and nitrous acid react with hydroxylamine to form N2, nitrous oxide, and nitrous acid react with nitric acid to form NO2, nitrogen dioxide. That is a secondary decomposition reactions. For example, a copper react with dial HNO3 in the following manner is possible. Copper react with HNO3 to form copper nitrate, and further react with a nation hydrogen to form HNO2, nitrous acid, and nitrous acid dissociate to form a nitric acid. Is it clear? Copper react with nitric acid to form copper nitrate, and react with nation hydrogen, it form HNO2, and further HNO2 decompose to form HNO3 as a nitric acid. And overall reaction, is it clear? Overall reaction is copper 3, total number of nitric acid 8, and product side total number of copper nitrate 3, total number of NO nitric acid 2, and total number of water molecule is 4. Is it clear? So there is a overall reaction. And next, the concentration of nitric acid has a tendency to form nitrogen dioxide. So copper react with HNO3 nitric acid to form copper nitrate, and NO2 and H2O. Is it clear? In concentrated form, water level is low. In diluted form, excess of water is large. Just consider. The magnesium react with concentrated HNO3 is following way. Magnesium react with concentrated nitric acid to form magnesium nitrate, and further react with nation or atomic hydrogen to form ammonia, and ammonia react with nitric acid to form ammonium nitrate. And overall reaction 4 mg and 10 moles of HNO3 and 4 moles of magnesium nitrate, then ammonium nitrate and 3 moles of water is the overall reaction in concentrated of HNO3. In concentrated, water molecule is minimum, but in a liquid diluted state it is larger produced. If the acid is diluted, we get N2O, nitrous oxide, and magnesium react with concentrated nitric acid to give magnesium nitrate, then NO2. What is that? N2O. What is that? N2O? Nitrous oxide, and diluted form, so water is excess. And uses of nitric acid. So we are learning nitric acid preparation and properties. So finally we are going to discuss uses of nitric acid. So nitric acid is used as an oxidizing agent and in the preparation of aqua regia. What is aqua regia? When HNO3 nitric acid react with 3 moles of HCl to give nitrosyl chloride, water and chlorine. Is it clear? This reaction is aqua regia reactions. Okay, nitric acid used as oxidizing agent and the preparation of aqua regia. So nitric acid is used to prepare the aqua regia. The salt of nitric acid are used in the photographic field, silver nitrate and sodium nitrate. And sodium nitrate is also used as a gun powder in firearms. Is it clear? A salt. These are the salt product of nitric acid. Okay. So the salt product of nitric acid used as a photographic field. Silver nitrate is used, and gunpowder for firearms, sodium nitrate is used. Okay, students. Thank you.